Hi. Hey, he's just looking at me.
Yeah, he is.
You visited with Uncle Joe and Aunt Lisa today?
Playing with the cats.
You had a good time. Yeah. And Pepper. And Callie's enjoying the free lap. And Isaac's just staring at me. Like, what you doing? I wish I could read your mind.
Such a poker face, right?
Yeah.
You'll be saying that for the next, 2 years.
Until he learns how to speak.
Yeah. Like, why are you so upset?
Whoop.
He's got the loudest purr.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, she's the
Callie's
purr
got a
baby.
pretty loud purr too.
She's the motor. Whoa, bless you.
Bless you.
Okay, time to drift off to sleep. No, not yet.
I'm just thinking about it. Just thinking about it.
Yep. Say bye-bye. Oh, it's a yawn. Another, wow, the big yawn. Oh, the big yawn. Okay, now bye-bye.